Hey y'all, so it's time to clean my kidneys. I'm gonna juice it with my Breville juicer, okay? Here are the ingredients, okay? You got a bunch of carrots, bunch of spinach, bunch of celery, and Granny Smith green apple, okay? This thing also helped me bring my A1C down because I did this for 3 consecutive weeks. Okay, and I went to the doctor, took my labs. Yeah, I brought down my A1C from 7.7 to 6.5. Anywho, okay. I want to emphasize that it's going to clean my kidneys because I did this for 3 consecutive weeks. I repeat, okay, 3 consecutive weeks, and the foamy stuff that comes out of my urine like completely disappeared. Okay, the urine, I mean the foamy stuff in your urine when you pee is protein. Okay, so as it escapes while you're peeing, which indicates that your fucking kidneys are damaged, or getting there. See this right here? No additive, no preservatives, nothing. Pure organic medicine. Yep, it'll work. Trust me. Product. Juicing it. Okay, this will last me for 3 days. Some potent medication. It'll flush out my kidneys and decrease my glucose level. Now, ask me if you'd rather drink tea or juice it. I say there are a lot of benefits to doing both. However, juicing it is a very tough job to do. Okay, y'all. Ciao.